Hey everyone, welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Jaxon.
And I'm Lina. We're so happy you're learning with us today.
Today's topic is talking about your plans, what you will do later, today, or tomorrow.
Yes, we will use easy future English, very useful for daily life.
Before we start, quick reminder, please like, follow, and share this podcast.
It helps us a lot and it helps other learners too. Thank you.
Okay, let's begin. Listen first, then we practice, then listen again.
Let's start with a very common phrase. I'm going to...
We use it to talk about plans. For example, I'm going to eat lunch.
Or I'm going to study English. Great plan, by the way.
Let's listen to a short dialogue. Just listen first.
Hey, Jackson, what are you doing later?
I'm going to meet my friend.
Nice. I'm going to stay home and relax.
I said, I'm going to meet my friend.
And I said, I'm going to stay home and relax.
So the pattern is, I'm going to plus verb.
Meet, eat, study, watch, sleep, all okay.
Now you try. Repeat after me. I'm going to eat dinner.
I'm going to study English.
Good job. That sounds great already.
We can also say when we will do something. For example, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I'm going to work. Tomorrow, I'm going to shop.
Let's listen again.
Lina, what are you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'm going to visit my parents.
That's nice. I'm going to clean my room.
I said, tomorrow, I'm going to visit my parents.
And I said, I'm going to clean my room. Yes, I really need to clean it.
You can start with, tomorrow, I'm going to...
Let's practice together.
Tomorrow, I'm going to cook.
Tomorrow, I'm going to rest.
Tomorrow, I'm going to rest.
Now let's learn another word, will.
We can say, I will call you. I will help you.
Will is often for quick decisions or promises.
Let's listen. I'm tired today.
That's okay. I will help you with the work.
Thank you. I will rest a little later.
I said, I will help you.
And I said, I will rest a little later.
So we can say, I will plus verb.
Verbs help, call, go, eat, very easy verbs.
Repeat after us. I will call my friend.
I will eat later.
Awesome. You're doing really well.
Now, let's ask about plans.
We can say, what are you going to do?
Or, what will you do?
Let's listen to a real lifestyle talk. What are you going to do this evening?
I'm going to watch a movie. What about you?
I will cook dinner and then study English.
I said, I'm going to watch a movie.
And I said, I will cook dinner and study English.
Both are correct. Both are natural.
Now you answer this.
What are you going to do today?
Great answer. Any plan is a good plan.
Many people like to talk about the weekend.
You can say, this weekend I'm going to...
Let's listen. What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to play football and relax.
Nice. I'm going to visit my sister.
Simple, friendly, and very real.
Try saying, this weekend I'm going to rest.
Perfect. Rest is very important too.
Now, let's recap today's key phrases.
To talk about plans, I'm going to plus verb. I'm going to eat. I'm going to study.
To talk about quick plans or promises, I will plus verb. I will help you. I will call you.
To ask about plans, what are you going to do? What will you do?
Remember, short and simple is perfect. You don't need long sentences.
You're learning step by step, and that's great. Good job today.
Now, our community question for you. What are you going to do tomorrow? Study? Work? Relax?
Tell us in the comments. We really want to know.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Keep going, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.